Do you want to replace the LCD display assembly on your Latitude 5440? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the link on the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including step-by-step written tutorials with detailed images. And now let's get into it. Okay, real quick, ESD or electrostatic discharge is the buildup of static electricity on a person's body. To prevent this, you can use an ESD wrist strap as well as an ESD mat. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Now pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. Next, disconnect the battery cable. Next, unscrew and remove the LCD cable bracket. Then disconnect the LCD cable. And my LCD screen does not have an IR cable, but if yours does, just slide it out. I've labeled the location for it right here. Then unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Now disconnect the antenna cables and then slide out the Wi-Fi card. Next, unscrew the left and right LCD hinge. Then open the LCD display and separate it from the palm rest. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.